Well, friends, it looks like TikTok might be coming to an end, so let's make a Dagwood. Hello, I'm Sandwich Dad. Though I am Canadian, so I will remain on TikTok, I will certainly miss all of the many friends I've made, who I suppose we'll no longer see on TikTok, but there are other apps, and we'll see you way on down the line. I've got a lot of leftovers today. We're going to pile them together, and we're going to make a gigantic Dagwood sandwich. A Dagwood is almost more a state of mind than a sandwich, but traditionally, in the comic strip Blondie, where Dag would make his giant sandwiches, there was lots of leftovers. And so, what have I got here today? I have sour cream, some pierogies, some green onion. Probably should have put that on the sour cream. Oh well. This is some leftover chicken taco stuff. Tomatoes, shallots, chunks of Mexican spiced chicken. Pile it on there as best we can. All right. And a little bit of mayo. Then a piece of garlic bread. A piece of reheated lasagna. Teeter that on there, okay. Another piece of garlic bread. We'll follow that up with some butter chicken. On the final piece of toast, a bit more mayonnaise. Last of our taco vegetables. And why not a couple pieces of bacon? How did you have leftover bacon sandwich, Dad? Well, some mysteries even I can't solve. All right, let's put the top on here. All right. And if it'll stay up for a few seconds, let's have a look. Oh, it fell over. We've got it kind of up and running again. This is an absolute mess. But I gotta get rid of leftovers and, oh crap. The things I do for Tic Tac. All right, we don't have much time. Let's cut this thing diagonally. And reveal. Huzzah. All right. It's now all in my hand. Is this one of the dumbest sandwiches I've ever made? Sure. But I wanted to say goodbye to my American friends on TikTok properly. So here it is. Dagwood, featuring tacos, pierogies, lasagna, garlic bread, and butter chicken with bacon. Taste test. If nothing else, all three sandwich dogs are here and at fierce attention. Here they are. They will certainly be getting a lot of this. I just wanted to say that without some of my American pals on TikTok and the wonderful friends I've made and the whole sandwich talk community, I'm really sad to lose so many of you. Please come and find me on other platforms. Doesn't quite have the same sense of community, but we can build it. Thanks for everything. This is Sandwich Dad with an incredibly stupid sandwich saying, good day.